Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a QR code for location in Google Map. This one will work on both mobile version and the web version. Alright, all you have to do is to select the location. For example, here I'm on PC, like let's say this one. Just go ahead and right click on it. Alright, right click on a direction, for example this. Then just go ahead and click on share this location. All right, as you can see here, we have our link right here. Just go ahead and click on copy link, copy, and it says copied to clipboard. Once copied, just go ahead and go to canva.com. Make sure to sign in. And once you're in here, just go ahead and click on create a design. Then go to custom size. In the units, select a centimeter right here. Then add 2 and 2. All right, once done, simply hit on create a new design. Once you have this ready, just head over to apps right here at the left pane, click on it. All right, then go to the search box and type in QR code. Click the QR code generator and click on this one right here, the QR code. Simply hit on open. As you can see here, it asks for a URL. If you can remember, we have copied a URL, which is this one, a link. So let's just go ahead and paste that in here, paste, and simply hit on generate code. As you can see here, our QR code is now generated. Just go ahead and use these points right here to make the QR code bigger so it fits the canvas. All right. Once done, just hit on share right here, download. You want to, you can save it to PNG, JPG, or anything you want. All right, download, save it on my desktop, for example my location. Once done, hit on enter, and there you have it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.